curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Cell death is a natural part of life, even inside your body. Welcome to the science of apoptosis. Apoptosis is a highly regulated process of programmed cell death used to maintain a healthy body. It sculpts your body. During development, apoptosis removes the webbing between your fingers and toes. It powers metamorphosis. Apoptosis removes the tail of a tadpole as it transitions into an adult frog. The process triggers if a cell suffers severe DNA damage that simply cannot be repaired. Specialized enzymes called Caspases are activated. They act as biological scissors, cutting the cell's proteins apart. The mitochondria assist by releasing cytochrome C, a signaling molecule that accelerates the controlled death process. The cell's DNA undergoes chromatin condensation, shrinking and clumping together as the nucleus begins to collapse. The cell membrane undergoes blebbing, forming irregular bulges as the internal cytoskeleton completely breaks down. The cell neatly fragments into apoptotic bodies. These contain all the cell's parts, preventing dangerous leaks. Unlike necrosis, which is messy and causes inflammation, apoptosis is a clean, organized, and contained process. Specialized immune cells perform phagocytosis, quickly engulfing and recycling the fragments to prevent any tissue damage. Apoptosis is critical for tumor suppression. It forces cells with dangerous mutations to self-destruct before they become cancerous. The p53 protein acts as a guardian. It monitors DNA health and triggers apoptosis if the damage is too high. By balancing cell growth with controlled cell death, your body maintains homeostasis, the perfect internal biological balance. Remember, apoptosis is the programmed, organized removal of cells that helps your body grow and stay healthy. Even in a cell's death, there is amazing biological precision. Stay curious and keep learning.